Hello friends, welcome to our channel Azzunique, a software development and designing company. We develop custom software as per your requirement. So without wasting your time, we presenting you our new agent dashboard of Fintech software, where you can utilize services like APS, DMT, Recharge, DDH and many more. So let's look at the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here is the news alert. You can mention the new updates here. This is the two wallet software. In the left panel, there is a wallet transfer, money transfer, APS, recharge, BBPS, move to bank, fund request, report, main wallet report, APS wallet report, support, and complaint. Here you can see your today transactions, today wallet report, today's earning, and all report. If we scroll a little bit, we'll get the services, mobile recharge, APS, money transfer, BBPS, DTH, and many more. So, friends, this is the overview. Here you can add your banners, your latest images, your latest post. So, that's it. Again, we will meet in the next part where we can describe all these services. So, thank you so much.